Welcome to our comprehensive deep dive into a critical cybersecurity vulnerability known as Open Directory Enumeration, also referred to as exposed file listings on web servers. This often overlooked flaw can expose a significant amount of sensitive information on web servers, making it readily accessible to anyone simply using a standard web browser without any additional tools. So, why do these directories become exposed in the first place? It's frequently due to common server misconfigurations or default settings that inadvertently enable directory browsing by design. In many cases, developers might unintentionally leave these settings enabled during the deployment process, or they could simply be unaware of the serious security implications that arise from such oversights. Attackers actively scan the internet for these vulnerabilities because they provide a treasure trove of valuable data without the need to bypass complex security measures or authentication systems. Now, let's examine what exactly attackers look for and download from these exposed directories. They often find sensitive configuration files that might contain crucial database credentials, API keys, internal server details, or other critical system access information essential for further exploitation. Source code files are also prime targets, as they can reveal proprietary algorithms, detailed business logic, and even existing vulnerabilities within the application itself that could be exploited. Additionally, user lists, email addresses, and other personally identifiable information can be easily harvested, paving the way for targeted phishing attacks or full-scale identity theft operations. Even seemingly innocuous files, such as backup archives, log files, or temporary files, can contain remnants of highly sensitive data that was not properly sanitized. The consequences of such exposures are severe, ranging from major data breaches and complete system compromises to intellectual property theft and long-lasting reputational damage for the organization. So, how can organizations effectively mitigate this significant risk? The primary and most effective defense strategy is implementing proper indexing prevention measures. Indexing prevention involves configuring web servers to explicitly deny directory browsing, which ensures that visitors cannot view or access a list of files within any directory. Instead, when a specific file isn't explicitly requested, the server should return a standard 403 forbidden error message or redirect users to a custom default page for better user experience. This protection can be achieved through various server-specific configurations, such as adding directives to .taccess files in Apache servers or adjusting key settings directly in Jinx configuration files. Beyond these technical configurations, organizations should adopt best practices like conducting regular security audits to proactively identify and rectify any misconfigurations before they are exploited. Furthermore, implementing a robust security policy across the organization and providing ongoing education and training for developers and IT staff are absolutely crucial for long-term defense. In conclusion, Open Directory Enumeration represents a simple yet profoundly dangerous vulnerability that every organization must address promptly. By fully understanding its root causes and diligently implementing indexing prevention along with other best practices, organizations can significantly enhance their overall cybersecurity posture and safeguard their sensitive data from prying eyes.